How to get a virtual credit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Let's discuss obtaining a virtual credit card. A virtual credit card is a service that enables online shoppers to shield their credit card sensitive details by utilizing a uniquely generated card number, expiration date, and security code as a stand in. Virtual credit cards are not a replacement for a traditional credit card account. Instead, they are linked to a traditional account as a complementary feature for enhanced security. You can generate multiple virtual card numbers without impacting your credit score or the account status. Virtual credit cards reduce the risk of credit card fraud. Even virtual card information is less valuable to a fraudster. Depending on your credit card provider, you may receive either virtual card number for each merchant or the universal virtual card numbers that are accepted by all merchants. In the latter scenario, you can request a new number at any time, making it harder for unauthorized access to your account. Now that you understand what a virtual card entails, let's delve into the steps to acquire one. Firstly, you need a credit card that offers virtual number capabilities. Since virtual credit card numbers are linked to existing credit card accounts, owning a credit card is requisite. Most major credit card issuers and networks such as American Express, MasterCard, and Visa offers this feature. Discover previously provided a virtual card number perk but has since discontinued it. Subsequently, log into your online credit card account settings to locate the virtual card number option. You may also have to install the card issuer mobile app to access the virtual card number and proceed by using the 16-digit virtual credit card number to you. Certain issuers provide separate numbers for the various merchants, while others issue a new number each time you request one. You can specify the validity period of the number, choosing to use it once or retain it for several months for recurring expenses. Upon receiving all the virtual card details, you can utilize them similarly to your physical credit card information when making online purchases. While the process of acquiring a virtual credit card may vary slightly depending on the issuer, it is typically straightforward. Most major credit card issuers now offer virtual credit card options that can be easily added to your existing account. If you are considering a new credit card account, explore and research about it for the best credit cards currently available. So this was all about it. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.